What is food spout pouch? It is a type of packaging that is designed to hold and dispense liquid or semi-liquid food products. These pouches are typically made from flexible materials such as plastic or aluminum, and they feature a small spout or nozzle that allows for easy pouring or dispensing of the contents. One of the main advantages of using spout pouch for food is their convenience and ease of use. The spout design allows for precise pouring and dispensing, making them ideal for a wide range of food products such as sauces, dressings, baby food, and beverages. Additionally, the flexible nature of the pouches makes them easy to store and transport, and they can be customized with various features such as resealable closures and easy grip designs. Food spout pouches are also gaining popularity due to their sustainability benefits. Compared to traditional rigid packaging such as glass or plastic bottles, spout pouches require less material to produce and are often lighter in weight, resulting in reduced transportation costs and environmental impact. Additionally, many spout pouches are made from recyclable materials, further contributing to their eco-friendly appeal. In conclusion, food spout pouches are a versatile and practical packaging solution for a wide range of food products. Their convenience, sustainability benefits, and customizable features make them an attractive option for both consumers and food manufacturers. As the demand for convenient and sustainable packaging continues to grow, the popularity of food spout pouches is expected to increase in the coming years.